Hey guys, Marlon from Press Computers, and today we have another custom build. As you can tell, we're playing at the moment this video. This is the i7 machine, but we also have built an i5 now. This is a nice looking tempered glass case. It's a Corsair. This right here, it's an RGB, and it's got a controller in the back where you can change the lights. We also have the i9 build. Now, this machine has the i5 processor. It's a stock cooling, nothing really fancy. 8 gigs of RAM, a solid state drive, and a 500 gig for your games. The machine comes with a 6 gig video card. It's a GTX 1660 Ti. That's a lot of power. So for mid-range, this machine can be great, and it's only $1,300 with a 3-year warranty. And for those who doesn't know, we also do support through Discord for any of our custom builds. So if you guys have any questions or troubleshooting, we can chat and we can even voice call, and take a look at the machines. If you have any questions on this builds or any other machines, you can leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.